You sketch cars every single day. You have folders filled with thousands of sketches, and your skills are insane. So, why is your portfolio completely empty and why you're not getting hired? I'm a hiring manager in the car industry, and I see designers with crazy talent make one mistake that guarantees they get rejected. Design directors are incredibly busy. They spend seconds on your portfolio before they throw it in the trash. This one mistake makes you look like a total amateur, even if your sketches are amazing. In this video, I'm going to reveal that single mistake. And then I'm giving you a secret formula to build a portfolio that will actually get you a job. This is the number one mistake that is killing your career. You believe that sketching endless, random cars will get you a job. It won't. You've been told to sketch every day, but what they didn't tell you is that practice alone builds literally nothing. Design directors cannot hire based on a hard drive full of random sketches. They need to see finished, professional projects. Sticking to practice mode creates three career destroying problems. First and most obvious, the empty portfolio. Your portfolio is not a place to dump every sketch you ever made. It's a gallery of your absolute best work. All that daily practice is great, but random sketches don't prove you can solve a problem. An endless stream of sketches just scream that you can't commit and finish a project. Second, you have a massive skill gap. You can practice drawing insane perspectives and wheels for months, but that doesn't prove you can use those skills on a real world project. A professional designer's job isn't just to sketch, it's to solve a company's problem. Can you take a mission, handle feedback, and deliver a final mind blowing concept? Your portfolio needs to scream yes. Random sketches don't even whisper. The third problem is you have zero confidence. Let's be honest, starting a huge project is terrifying. It's so much easier to get a quick win from a 30-minute doodle than to attack a full project that takes weeks. By never finishing anything, you rob yourself of the confidence that only comes from completing something huge. This traps you in a cycle where you feel not ready yet, when the only thing that will make you ready is to produce finished work. So, how do we fix this? The solution is a simple but powerful mindset shift. Stop practicing, start producing. Your new job is to create a body of finished work. From now on, every sketch session must be part of a bigger project goal. Here's a simple challenge to get you started. I call it the three-part project destroyer. Instead of sketching 20 random cars this month, I challenge you to pick one single idea and create a three-part project around it. Let's say you want to design a new electric bus for a specific brand. Part 1 is your brain dump. This is where you show you can actually think. Put together a quick mood board, smash out some tiny sketches, and show us all your crazy ideas. This proves to a design director that you do more than just draw. You solve problems. Part 2 is the hero shot. This is the main event. A fully rendered, absolutely insane hero shot of your car concept. And do not just float it on a white background. That is boring. Put in a cool scene to make it feel real and finished. Part 3 shows the application. Show me the rest of the car. This could be a page showing different trim levels, a close-up of the insane interior or headlights, or technical drawings that show the final proportions. This proves your design could be a real product. By focusing on this project workflow, you do three critical things. You create a story, you prove you can take an idea from start to finish, and most importantly, you build undeniable evidence that you have the skills to get hired. By the way, if you're getting value from this, smash that like button and subscribe for more secrets to help you land your dream job. It helps the channel more than you could ever imagine. The goal of your practice is no longer just to get better at sketching, it's to create a portfolio project. So let's wrap this up. Sketching rental cars feels good, but it builds nothing a design director can use to hire you. Your real job is to switch from practice modes to project modes. I would rather see a portfolio with 5 incredible finished projects than 50 pages of directionless sketches. Define a project, show your process, and finished before you jump to the next shiny idea. This discipline is what separates the dedicated amateurs from the hireable professionals. So, here's my challenge to you for this week. Start one portfolio project. Pick a simple mission. Design a small city EV, create a concept for a rugged off-road monster, or redesign a classic car. And I challenge you to finish it. Share your project idea in the comments below. I want to see what you're going to build. Now, if you're serious about taking your portfolio to the next level and want my guidance, click on the card above to watch the video with the detailed information about my one-on-one mentoring program. We'll talk about your goals, your design style, and how to make your portfolio truly stand out. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, smash the notification bell, and drop the like. Stop waiting to feel ready. Start producing, and you'll find that the confidence and the career you want are built on the foundation of finished work. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.